උසස් පෙළ දක්වා දකුණේ වැඩිම සිසුන් ප්‍රමාණයකට ඒ සාමාර්ථ ලබාතුන් අභිමානවත් ඉංග්‍රීසි සන්නාමය රෝයල් ඉංග්ලිෂ් මනෝජ් සූරිය බණ්ඩාර ඔන්ලයින් සහ ෆිසිකල් පන්ති දකුණ මාතර සිප්මා ගාල්ල.
Good morning everyone. I'm Great Mohammed Sindhi. My native place is Mathur. I'm 13 years old. I'm a student in grade 9. My school is St. Thomas Girls High School Mathur. I'm really good at maths. I like to spend my time by reading and cooking. There are 4 members in my family. My mother is housewife. My father works at Australia. Every day I want to be a good citizen. Thank you.
Hey, good morning guys. My name is Sen. I live in Mathur. My age is 13 years old. I am studying. My school is Rahul College. I am really good at football and science. I can play guitar. I like to spend my time reading. My dad is a government contractor. My mom is unemployed. There are 6 members in my family. My aim is to be an innovation scientist.
Hi, good morning everybody. I came here to do a self-introduction. My name is Shashini Hinsa. I live in Sri Lanka and my hometown is Mathura. Now I am 13 years old. I am grade 9 student of Mathura Central College. I am a member of our school media unit. There are 3 members in my family. My ambition is university lecturer. I hope my ambition is will give me a successful life in my future. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about my self-introduction. My name is Dr. Kamtu Vinayaka. I am from Sri Lanka. I am 12 years old. I am a student in grade 7. I am a student of Rahul College. I am really good at English. I like to spend my time by taking photographs. My dad and mom are an assistant directors. I wanna be a doctor.
Hi, good morning guys. You can call me Rashini Khanna. I'm from Mathur. I'm a teenager. I'm a student in grade 10. My school is Mathur Sujata Vidyalaya. I'm really good at science. There are 4 members in my family. My dad is a professional architecturer and my mom is a teacher. I have 1 sister. There are many hobbies in my life. Knitting, swimming, singing and dancing are some of them. Among all of the hobbies, I like most watching movies. One day, I will be a film producer. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Hasini. I'm from Mathura. I'm 14 years old. I'm studying. I'm student of Sujata Vidyalaya. I'm really good at English. I like to spend my time by reading. My dad is teacher and my mom is officer. I have only 1 sister. My ambition is to be a doctor. Thank you.
First of all, thank you so much for giving this opportunity, sir. Hello everyone, I'm Tulini. My friends call me Tuli. My hometown is Mathura. Now I am 6 years old. I am studying. My school is St. Mary's Convent. I am really good at dance. My hobby is dancing. I like to travel in my leisure time. There are 4 members in my family. I wanna be a lawyer. Finally, thanks again, sir.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Shahara. I live in Goa. I am 13 years old in this year. I am a student in grade 8. My school is Southern College. I am really good at English. I like to spend my time by dancing. There are 5 members in my family. One day, I will be a lawyer. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Samisha Savindi. My friend called me Sami. I live in Kotta. I am 13 years old. My school name is Kotta Udanapal College. My hobby is dancing. I am really good at singing. My mother is a financial planner. There are 3 members in my family. My ambition is to be a math teacher. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. I am Duransa. I am from Sri Lanka. My hometown is Gold. I am 11 years old. I am grade 6 student. I am study at Royal English Institute. I am really good at geography. My hobby is reading books. My father is an officer at government service. My mother is a teacher. I have a sister. I wanna be a vet surgeon.
Hi everyone, I'm Menuli. I'm from Matara. My age is 11 years old. My hobby is playing chess. I'm a student in grade 6. My father is an accountant and my mother is a doctor. I have one brother. There are 4 members in my family. One day I wanted to be an engineer.
Hello everyone, I am Virunavasuka. I am from Matara. I am 11 years old. I am a student in grade 6. I am studying at Raula College. I am good at football. I like to ride bicycle in my free time. My father is businessman and my mother is an accountant. I have 2 sisters. There are 5 members in my family. I want to be a pilot one day. Thank you.
Hello dear sir and everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity and it's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Mehara Misali, but my parents' friends called Sadi. I'm from Matara. I'm 14 years old. Actually, I'm a teenager. I am a student in grade 9. I am studying at St. Mary's Convent Girls' School. I'm really good at dancing and I am a leader of the school dancing group. I like to travel in my leisure time. My dad is a good businessman and my mother is an accountant. I have one brother and one sister. There are 5 members in my family. I want to be a language lecturer one day. And so that's all about me. Again, thank you so much. Good day, everyone.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I am Amisha Rishani. I live in Milaya Dampahala. My age is 14 years old. I am studying. My school is Marvilaya Kantu Viduhala. I am really good at English. My hobby is sings. My father's job is driving. My mother is good housewife. I have one brother and one sister. My favorite ambition is singer. Thank you.
My name is Eshan Savindi. My hometown is Matara. I am 15 years old. I am studying in grade 10. My school is Palitogunathan Central College. I am really good at netball. My hobby is reading storybook. There are 6 members in my family. I wanna be a dancing teacher. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sanurdi, but my friends call me Sanaya. My hometown is Matara. I am 20 years old in 2021. I am studying. I am a student of Royal College. I can play guitar in my free time as a singing song. There are 4 members in our family. My ambition to be a scientist. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon guys. My name is Kanshka Sandeep. I live in Matara. I am 13 years old. I am a student in grade 8. I am a student of St. Services College. St. Services College. I am member of our school music group. My hobby is swim. My dad is policeman. My mom is housewife. I wanna be a lawyer. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Gauri Dimansa, but my friends call me Gauru. I am from Sri Lanka in Matara district. I am 12 years old in 2021. I am a student in grade 7. My school is St. Mary's Convent. I am a member of our school chess team. I like to read storybooks in my leisure time. My dad is an engineer. Mom is a housewife. I have one brother but no sisters. My aim is to be a teacher. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Sadhuma. I am from Matare. I am 11 years old. I am a student in grade 6. I am studying at Royal English. I am really good at dance. I like to spend my time by reading. There are 5 members in my family. My aim is to be a teacher. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Chandy. I live in Matharam but my birthplace is Gaur. My age is 12 years. I am a student in grade 8. I am a student of Sujata Vidyalaya. I am really good at singing. I like to spend my time reading storybooks. My dad is a manager and my mom is a housewife. I have 2 sisters. One day I will be a lecturer. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Sarah Pahandi. My hometown is Matare. I am 11 years old. I am a student in grade 6. I am studying at Sujata Vidyalaya. I am really good at English. In my free time, I collecting stamps and reading books. My dad is a retired army officer and my mom is a development officer. I have only one brother. I want to be a scientist one day.
Hi guys, I'm Hansir. I live in Krimet Mulla. My age is 14 years. I'm a student in grade 9. My school is Akurugada Kanishta Vidyalaya. I'm really good at geography. My hobby is reading storybook. There are 4 members in my family. One day I will be an engineer.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Samadhi. I live in Matara. I am 10 years old. I am student in grade 7. My school is Matara Mahamaya Girls School. I know how to swim. I like to spend my time by reading storybooks. There are 3 members in my family. I want to be a chef. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yasuna Minu. I am 12 years old. My hometown is Mathura. My school is Mathura Central College. I am grade 7 student. My favorite subject is maths. There are 4 members in my family. My hobby is play cricket. My ambition is to be a doctor. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Roshan Vineet. I am from Mathura. I am 11 years old. I am a grade 6 student of Royal English. I can play cricket. I can play guitar. My hobby is watching TV. There are 4 members in my family. I like to spend my free time by searching about dinosaurs. I want to be a doctor one day. Thank you very much.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Kaushan. My hometown is Mathura. Now I am 12 years old. I am a student in grade 6. I am studying Mahanam Mahavidyalaya. I can play violin. My hobby is gardening in my free time. My dad is a development assistant. My mom is a teacher. One day I will be a doctor. Thank you.
Hello guys, I am Vinuka. I am from Kirimati Mulla. I am 12 years old. I am studying in grade 8. My school is Telejula Royal College. I am really good at English. My hobby is reading. There are 4 members in my family. I want to be a lawyer. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Gangul Sundapansil Ratnayaka. I live in Madara. I am 12 years old. I am studying. My school is Santa Services College. I am really good at football. My hobby is drawing. There are 4 members in my family. My ambition is to be an engineer. Thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. My full name is Saint Kavinder. My friends call me Kavinder. I live in Madara. Now I am 15 years old. I am studying. I am grade 10 student of Rahula College. I am really good at athletics. My hobby is collecting stamps. My dad is an army officer. My mom is a housewife. I have a sister. One day I will be a businessman. Thank you.
If I talk about myself, my name is Samarata Sanjali. I live in Madara. I am 10 years old. My school name is Marapaltu Gunratana Central College. My mother name is Chandrika. My father name is Jayant. I have one sister and no brothers. My favorite book is Madalduva. My favorite hobby is dancing. My favorite drink is orange juice. My favorite pet is parrot. I want to be a teacher or one day. Thank you.
How are you guys? My name is Sashik. My birthplace is Madara, but I live in Kamudupitiya. Now I am 13 years old. I am a student in grade 8. My school is Rahula College. I am really good at play guitar. In my free time, I watch television. There are 6 members in my family. One day I want to be a lecturer. Thank you.